full of surprises for our dear April.
The official hashtag is Anna May. The name of Anna May Zing 18.
This is your favorite part of the program. Ano ba ang favorite part natin sa program? Pagkain. So, ibibigay na po natin yan. But of course, before that, before we enjoy our sumptuous dinner outside, picture muna tayo with our celebrants.
Anyway, let's start our first part of the program. Of course, 7 is considered lucky po by many people. In the creation story, God made the world in 6 days and rested on the 7th day. Pinaint niyo na picture. Oh my Tarshir. Grabe kayo sa akin, ha? Brokeback Mountain ba ito? Ano po ito, sir? Buntis po.
Yes.
Ang galing ng bewang, no? May sariling buhay. Ang ganun. Sexy niyo siguro ng po. Friend, tagisan po kayo.
Tondo Manila.
Tondo Manila! Maraming salamat, palakpakan po para sa bawat isa. Tonight is all about celebrating partnerships. Something extraordinary always happens when the gracious team hosting us. Please welcome Goodyear Philippines Regional Sales Manager for Luzon, Mr. Salamat Sir Carlo Rodriguez. Napakaganda ng kaniyang mga sinabi, and I really like the vision to serve you better. I can hear you louder. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Inco, Make the World in Your Hands. And I am your host for tonight's event. On behalf of the Inco Philippines family, thank you so much for being here. How about a big warm round of applause, everyone? May we all stand, and I call in Miss Aiko C. for the opening prayer.
Good afternoon, Coco Lifers! Make some noise!
Yeah. That's how it sounds like. Okay.
Yes, it is truly a very special day for all of us because the first time the ADC and Individual Marketing Division Awards was combined was back in your 35th anniversary. So please give yourself a well-deserved thundering round of applause because this day is all about you. Because today we honor you, the pride of Coco Life. And now, here are your top awardees.
And social media celebrity, Miss Colleen Mateo. Good afternoon, dear man. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Colleen.
Magandang hapon sa iyo, Adrian. Totoo ka dyan. Ito yung mga tao na talaga nga namang sila ang rason kung bakit nananatili pa rin talaga tayo sa kumpanyang ito. And of course, ito nga po, good afternoon everyone. Maayap, gagpalapon sa ating mga kasamahang kapampangan. Samahang walang katulad. Kasi di ba parang, bakit ka matatagal sa isang kumpanya? Number one, of course, because of our bosses. And this has been your host. My name is Colleen Mateo. And God bless us all. Good night. And congratulations po sa lahat ng ating awardees.
At eto naman po, very privileged po kami to be part of this event bilang host dahil nakikita po namin with our own eyes how people who have worked hard are being honored. Talaga nakaka-inspire na maging bahagi po ng Ardure.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag? Drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so fake right there? Like a house of cards, the lower caving in. Insignificant makakasama, narito ang rest, narito ang rest. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming salamat po. And once again, congratulations to all of our awardees. Maraming salamat po. This has been your host. My name is Colleen Mateo. You can follow me on Colleen's World on YouTube. God bless us all, and let us all welcome our band, Powerhouse. Good night, everyone.
right. Cherry Mobile, can you make my life easier?
Ngayong umaga, ituloy natin ang ating bandingan, kulitan, kwentuhan at kasiyahan dito nga po sa Wyatt Summer Outing. Ayan. Tara, let's, di ka na mabibigo. Tara, let's, di ka na mabibigo.
Ngayong gabi na ito. At nakakatuwa naman, I would just like to commend everyone. Palakpakan niyo po ang inyong mga sarili. Grabe ang effort! Everyone, and welcome to your Christmas party, the Monolith So Christmas Party.
Hindi ko panahon yun. Ang panahon ko, ganito. Well, maraming salamat po, napakagaling at talagang kanina po nag-uusap kami ni Diego sa likod. Sabi namin, ang grabe ang talent ng mga taga-Maynilad. Correct. At ngayon naman, alamin naman natin kung sino-sino na naman ang mananalo sa ating second batch of our raffle draw.
Okay, are you guys ready sa dance floor? Make some noise, are you ready? Alright, the dance floor is now open. Let us all welcome on stage the, and of course, to officially close our program. Let us all welcome Sir Johnson Sedmo. Thank you! Salamat po! Thank you! Maraming salamat po. Nakakama naman po tayo lahat. At eto nga, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat at salamat po sa inyong busina na kalooban at naimbitahan nyo.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shop TV. We are your hosts. My name is Colleen Mateo. And today we are featuring a very special gas stove in front of us, Janina.
Yes.
Worry nga natin kapag nabasa siya, matitigil yung pagluluto natin. But by this one, hindi. Tuloy-tuloy. Again, it saves time. At makakatipid pa rin tayo sa LPG. And I am Colleen Mateo.
And Zanix, hello sa inyo dyan na nanonood ngayon sa ating Facebook Live. My name is Colleen Mateo and welcome to Similac Game School HMO's first Lazada Facebook Live.